So this is Uva Uva speaking. Can y'all hear me? And this is called Why in the World This Girl So Boring Show. And I'm just joking, it's me, Young King. And I think everything so boring is funny. And I just got tired really because I slept earlier. something, something. And I just got bored. Yeah. And like I said, not my problem. If I sleep, I sleep. And sometimes I'm a really hard sleeper, but I don't snore. Actually, everybody knows that when the hunter becomes the prey, they be eaten. And I'm just glad that it's gonna be my birthday on October 16th. So, yay. And stuff like that. And you hear my dog speaking because he got my nerves. Bark, 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 bark. Oh my gosh, the dog drives me crazy. This is the first thing when you came home. The dog always, like, you know how people, like, came home from school or work or something, your dog go, show you some love and stuff like that. But too much love, because really. And stuff like that. And I think it's so crazy that I might flip out. And that's the bad thing, of course, really. So, yeah. A lot of things have to happen, of course, really. Sometimes it's funny. Sometimes not. But someone had to get used to it, of course, really. If you don't laugh, well, we'll be all sad. I'm serious. Literally. Without laughing, it just make everything feel boring. And that's why I love to laugh. I got a sense of humor, of course, really. And sometimes my sister brother just solo drive me crazy, of course, really. No, let me phrase that. Insane. So let's just say a lot of things lately, so yeah. And I felt so bored. You can hear my dog barking, of course. It was my dog. No, today is my dog's birthday, of course. And it's a good thing. And I don't know how old is he, of course, so yeah, it's gonna be sad. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So yeah, and I think it's a good thing. Peace posh. Hey, everything's a good day, it's a boring day. And I gotta get used to everything, of course, really. Yeah, and jaco. Yeah, my dog. I can hear. You can hear the bells on my dog's little tag, of course. I can hear him. Come here, boy. See, this is my trusted dog right here, and his birthday. This is his birthday day. And stop! God dang. Yeah. Look, you can't see. Stop. He doing way too much, of course. I don't know why he's looking at my shirt, of course. Sometimes he's lovable and funny. He likes to bite my hand, and I get unnoticed on that. So, yeah. See? Who doesn't think that that's adorable? And he tried to bite me. He tried to bite me! No! The dog trying to bite my cord. Stop biting my cord! This dog trying to bite my cord, so I had to put my hands on his mouth, of course, really. So he had to bite it, of course, because stop, stop, stop. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Yeah, and a lot of things I don't like when he do that, of course, really. And sometimes he drive me crazy, of course, really. So yeah, but he's my sister dog, of course, so I gotta respect that. Sometimes he like to play, sometimes he barks. Now you can see the look on his face. Yeah, he's a crazy little dog. And he wants to bite my finger, of course. Now he bite my cover. So yeah, he's crazy. My name is Jaco. I'm out. Say bye, Jaco.